Samsung has expanded its One UI 8 beta program to include more devices, and this time the Galaxy S23 series and some popular mid-range phones are part of the list. Just a few weeks ago, the beta was only available for the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Z Flip 6. Now, Samsung is keeping its promise and making sure more users get the chance to test Android 16 with the new One UI 8 experience. The Galaxy S23, SS23 Plus, and S23 Ultra are now eligible for the beta update. Along with them, mid-range devices like the Galaxy A36, A35, A54, and A55 are also joining. This is an important move because it shows that Samsung isn't just focusing on its latest flagships, but is also giving attention to older and more affordable models. For Galaxy S23 owners in India, the beta is already available. The software version is labeled S91 Speaks-Xu 8ZYHB, and the download size is about 3.1 GB. This update includes not just the new features but also the September 2025 security patch, which makes it important from a safety standpoint as well. For mid-range devices, the update sizes are a bit smaller. The Galaxy A36 beta is around 2.1 GB and is available in the US, the UK, South Korea, and India. The Galaxy A55 update is about 1.9 GB and is expected in the same regions. This means a wide group of users can already try it out. Getting the update is fairly simple. All you need to do is open the Samsung Members app, log in with your Samsung account, and look for the banner that lets you register for the One UI 8 beta. Once you enroll, head over to Settings, go to Software Update, and you should see the beta ready to download. Samsung has also said that more devices will join the beta program soon. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 are expected to get access later this month, although Samsung hasn't given an exact date yet. This step-by-step rollout ensures that Samsung can manage the beta smoothly and fix issues along the way. So what's new with One UI 8? The update is built on Android 16 and comes with design changes, performance improvements, and deeper AI features. One noticeable change is the updated Quick Share interface, which should make file transfers easier and faster. AI is more integrated across the system, offering smarter suggestions and more personalized features that adjust to how you use your phone. But since this is a beta version, users should remember that it may not be fully stable. Beta software can have bugs, performance problems, and even app compatibility issues. That's why it's not always recommended to install it on your main phone, especially if you rely on it every day. Still, for users who are curious and want to try out new features early, this is a good chance to see what Samsung has been working on before the official release. It's also worth noting that Samsung has improved the speed of its updates this year. The company started testing One UI 8 on the Galaxy S25 series earlier in 2025, and then released the stable version with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July. Now, just a couple of months later, the beta is already expanding to older flagships and mid-range models. That's a big improvement compared to the past, when Samsung users had to wait much longer for major updates. The community reaction has been mixed. In an early poll, about 40% of users said they already installed the beta or are using it. Another 20% said they plan to install it as soon as it becomes available for their device. But about 40% of users said they would rather wait for the stable version. That's understandable because stability is important, and not everyone wants to deal with bugs on their daily device. So what does this mean for Samsung users? If you own a Galaxy S23, A36, A35, A54, or A55 and you live in one of the supported regions, you can already download and test the beta. For those who don't have it yet, the wait shouldn't be too long since Samsung has promised more devices will be added in the coming weeks. Whether you decide to join the beta now or wait for the polished release, one thing is clear: Samsung is serious about timely updates. The company is showing that it wants to give its users new features quickly, not just on the newest flagships, but also on older and more affordable devices. That commitment makes One UI 8 an exciting update for a wide range of Samsung users.